if you don't arch your eyebrows, you'll come out looking, well, having a round face. And I like having a round face, that's why I don't arch my eyebrows a lot. But I still arch them to give them more of a feminine look. Just a little arch, not to like, not a really sexy arch, just, it's more like, oh, you have eyebrows. And I hate getting my eyebrows messed up. I almost can never do them right. I get one good, and the other one just looks like poop. And again, this eyebrow pencil is from Jordana. See, I can never get that eyebrow right. I took off my eyebrows for the sake of being beautiful. Okay, so that's as good as they're gonna get, because I'm not too spectacular at drawing eyebrows. Then, once you draw your eyebrows with the with the pencil, you're gonna take an eyeshadow, and again, this is the best eyeshadow is natural taupe, whatever you want to call it, taupe. I'm gonna call it taupe. You're gonna go over your eyebrows to make them darker. And basically set them in, because without them being set in, they look really invisible in the light. And they will wash off when you be like, oh, it's hot, and swipe it off, and oop, I have no eyebrows. Then I also use this color, perfect color for natural looking nose contour. I contour my nose with this, and it just, you can tell my nose looks smaller, but you cannot see the brown. And this is good for making your nose look more feminine. And you just go at the outer edges of your nose, from the middle of your eye to start with. And then what I do too is I cover all the shadow you see on my nose. I basically cover that up with the brown. At the bottom, only at the bottom, but the middle, I go, on the edges, and then I go from the outer, from the end of my eyebrow, or the beginning, and I connect that line to the middle of my line. So, like this. You just bring it up like that. And then you're gonna just spread it out, like out. You're gonna blend it outwards, like that. You just blend it outwards. And then when you get here, you're gonna want to try to spread that out really wide. I'm telling you, this is my favorite color for nose contour because it's so perfectly brown. And I don't like to have harsh edges, so once I just blend that in with the brush, I use my I use my hands, and I just like blend that out too. And then you're just gonna do a little touch up, like, you know, if you get any in the middle of your nose that you don't want, you just, you know, swipe your hand through your nose. And vaboom, there goes your nose contour. Now we're going to do the lips. I like going for a pink look, and I'm not really good with lipstick, but I know if you mix a light color with a lighter color, the color will come out really light, and I like having really, really light pink lips. So I use a nude color, and now it looks like I don't have any lips. And I take a light pink color and I go over that. For my lips, I go a little bit outside of the lip line, just a little bit. For only the top, because my bottom lip is really is big, and if I do the bottom, if I outline the bottom lip, it looks wrong. And there goes my lips. Then I add lip gloss. Lip gloss. I don't really like to put too much, just to give it the shine. And that's all I do for my face.